ride. Almost at the club, baby.
What's going on today, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching another video here with me. Today we're going to be doing some more stuff on the E92 on Lauren. However, like the title says, I'm broken. So let me explain. So like last Friday around like 10:30, I was getting ready to go somewhere. I was getting ready to drop off the wheels for the E46. I'll make this short, by the way. But E36 was sitting like right there in the driveway. I went inside of it to start it, forgot that it was in gear, and when I started it, I had the door open with my leg outside of the door, and when I started it up, the car jumped backwards. It was in reverse. I don't know why I put it in reverse, but either way, I forgot about it. Can't turn back the hands of time now. I'm broken and limping like crazy right now, but it's getting better. So when it went backwards, you guys know the E36 is a project car, so it has no door panels, so it's bare metal. Bare metal went right into the top of my knee. I had to get 8 stitches and I had to wear a brace. I'll be getting my stitches removed in like the next 3 days, but that's not stopping me. So today, I've got a whole bunch of parts and I'm gonna show you guys everything and let's get into it. Okay, so this is probably all the parts that I will need. I'll probably be opening up the intercooler today and spraying it. As you can see, I got back the gold one, trophy gold intercooler still, and I still have the stencil from the other one, so I'll just spray it on with some black spray paint. You guys already seen this, that I got the whatchamacallit, subframe from the junkyard for like $60. This is a $800 subframe, so that's crazy, and I really came up on that. I got the radiator support and everything. Came with everything, like the foam, even the hood latch and everything like that. Those are the old headlights. The new headlights are in the trunk because I don't really need to take them out. You already saw like water pump. This is the new hose that I'm gonna put in soon. What else? There's nothing else in here. Lower radiator hose. This goes across to the additional cooler. As you can see, it has that long line. This bolts up to the subframe right in the front and connects to all the other stuff or whatever. This right here is the most expensive thing that I've bought so far. This is the aux fan, the only fan that the car has, but the 335 IS has a 850 watt fan. All the other BMWs, they have a 600 watt fan. I guess because BMW is trying to compensate for the overheating of the M54, that's why they did this. Holy crap, $1,000 for this fan alone. This is the whole assembly, obviously, the shroud, the blades, the motor, $1,000 right here. We got the radiator stuff that you guys saw put together last time. This was not damaged, but you can see like little cuts on it, but it didn't like, you know, like destroyed or anything, so it works still. Hopefully it doesn't leak, but because the seal is old. Also had to get this right here. What else do we got? We got some more parts in here. I'm just gonna empty them out. Let's see what we got in here. Alright, this is a brake pad wear sensor. Don't need that anytime soon. Got a new serpentine belt because coolant and everything got on that one. We got 2 bolts. These are the main bolts that were bent, so I got 2 more of these. These were secondary, so just in case, I got these too. This is the mount for the additional cooler on the other side. No, not on the other side. On the passenger side that was broken. This is a plastic piece that goes on here, so I'm gonna have to disassemble that. This is another piece that goes under the radiator, and that's about it. So, what I'm going to do is, hold on, wait. I can't put up the subframe yet because I ordered new motor mounts, and they only sent me one. I got a set, and they only sent me one. This is the cooler, this will mount up to the condenser fan, and I got this piece. This is the piece that goes over the seal, just in case the belt shreds, it doesn't get sucked into the engine. So I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna put all these parts on, and oh yeah, airbag. That was like a $200 airbag. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so we got that plastic piece that needed to go down here. It was under, like, way in there. But we got that in there. We got the radiator and everything bolted up. We got the fan on it. We got the cooler. This actually still works. We got all the bolts in. Mocked up the line that goes to the additional cooler. So we got that mocked up. It's not attached though, because I don't need to attach it right now. This will sit into the, right down here, this will sit into the, what am I trying to say? Intercooler. Jeez, that took forever. Sit in the intercooler. The lines right here are on the front still, and the lines for this are on the front still. So when I'm putting everything together, I'll hook everything up. So now that that is done, also, I put the line on here. So this line right here goes all the way around. So I'll make sure not to destroy that while I'm putting on the subframe. But I got all my tools here now. I'm gonna be working in this general area right now. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these 2 bolts down here. These are E12s. Pull these off. Use the bolt supply bolts that they gave me and washers in order to put that on. And then once I put that on, I'll put the balancer back on and I'll put the belt on and I'll actually bolt down this AC line over there. So like I said, we are moving. We are moving along. We are popping. Let's get to it. Okay, we got the guard on the back of the pulley. That's probably gonna rub. It seemed like it was gonna rub. It felt like it was gonna rub. So it will most likely rub. We'll see though. We got our pulley back on. I'm gonna tighten these up a little bit more. I don't know the exact torque for them, but I will tighten them up more. We got our belt on and everything. We got our other AC line put on. That one runs across real nice, real smooth. Already tightened it down too. I need to get a cap for this here, for this alternator. But anyway, I put the intercooler over here to settle down, so hopefully it sticks better. I do not have any paint because I made a mistake and used all of it, but trash iPhone right there. But yeah, I gotta go to AutoZone to get some paint. I'm cleaning up, I'm throwing away stuff that I don't need anymore. And now, let me not go away. I'm gonna try to do this line. It looks like it's gonna still be kinked, but I'm gonna change it anyway, because the other one just looked really bad. So we'll see how that goes, if I can even get on the ground with my bad knee, but let's get it. All right, looks like we'll be done for today. Got this hose all hooked up down there now. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I need to tuck it out the way. No, it should be good for the piping, the tube that goes in the front. But yeah, so I ended up putting in the thermostat, got the line in down there, got all these hoses hooked up. Got a good amount done, but I still didn't get the other mount that was supposed to be sent to me. So I will have to yeah, wait for that to come in before I can actually put the subframe up and then see what else I need to do about the subframe. So yeah, we got a lot done today. Alright, well that's going to be it for this video. I'm trying to keep these videos as short as possible because there's going to be a bunch of them. You know, spread out the content a little bit, you know, don't put a 40-minute video out or whatever like that. So that's going to be the end of this video. If you haven't already done so, please be sure to like, subscribe, hit that share button, turn on notifications. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Catch you in the next video. Peace.